Imagine this, you're sitting at your desk right now, surrounded by everything that's supposed to help you work better. But somehow, every keystroke feels slower than it should. Notifications keep pulling your attention away. And no matter how hard you try to focus, your productivity slips away second by second. It's frustrating, right? You know you can do more, but you're just stuck in this cycle of distraction and slow progress. Now imagine there's one single tool that could completely change that. A tool that helps you get twice as much done in half the time, without stress, without clutter, just pure, streamlined focus. Today, we're unboxing and testing one of the most talked about productivity devices on the internet. They say it's a game changer, but is it really worth the hype? Or is it just another over-marketed gadget that promises the world and delivers little? We're about to find out. Before we dive in, let me be honest with you. I used to struggle with the exact same thing. I was constantly searching for ways to stay focused, work faster, and finish my day without feeling completely drained and defeated. My desk was a graveyard of abandoned planners and half-used apps. That's why I finally decided to get this, a mechanical keyboard built specifically for productivity. Just look at this thing, sleek design, adaptive lighting that changes based on the tasks you're doing. And every single key has been engineered to save you precious time switching between your most used apps and commands. The moment I opened the box, I knew this wasn't just another keyboard. The weight, the solid build, and then the sound, that satisfying, crisp click. It immediately felt different. It's like holding a professional tool that understands what you need to do and is built to help you do it faster. It's not a toy. It's an instrument for efficiency. Let's do a quick before and after test to show you what I mean. Before, it took me about 10 minutes every morning just to open all my tools email, calendar, project management software, design apps, and get myself into a productive workflow. 10 minutes of clicking, waiting, and getting sidetracked. After getting this keyboard, with its programmable macro keys, I'm set up and ready to go in under 3 minutes. That might sound like a small saving, but over a week, that's more than an hour of real, focused work time reclaimed. Another key feature that blew me away was the reduction in typing errors. Every key responds instantly. There's no lag, no accidental double taps. The tactile feedback is so precise that your fingers just know they've hit the right key. This means less time hitting backspace and more time getting your ideas down. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The price. This thing is not cheap. And I get it, spending a significant amount on a keyboard might seem excessive. But here's how I see it. If you truly care about your productivity, if your work depends on how much you can get done, then this isn't a cost, it's an investment. An investment in your focus, your time, and ultimately your success. As I kept using it over the first few days, I realized how much the tiny details matter. The slight curve that supports your wrists, preventing fatigue during long sessions. The customizable lighting that creates a focused mood, signaling to my brain that it's time to work. Even that tactile feedback gives you this subtle sense of achievement with every single key press. You might be thinking, it's just a keyboard, but once you try a tool designed for performance, you'll understand the profound difference between just working and working efficiently. It's like switching from a family sedan to a performance sports car. They both get you there, but one does it with precision, speed, and a whole lot more satisfaction. Now, around the 4-minute mark, let me tell you something important. If this is your first time here, and you're serious about boosting your productivity, make sure to watch the previous episode on my channel after this one. It's all about how to mentally prepare yourself before even touching any new productivity tool. It's the other half of this journey. A great tool is only as good as the mindset you bring to it. And trust me, after watching that video, you'll see how these physical tools can combine with mental frameworks to transform not only your workflow but your entire mindset toward your goals. So after using this keyboard daily for a full week, something completely unexpected happened. Tasks that used to take me half a day, like scripting and editing, were now getting done in just a couple of hours. My focus improved dramatically. My energy lasted longer throughout the day, and my creative thinking actually got sharper because I wasn't bogged down by friction and distractions. When I tracked the results, I had a revelation. This device didn't just upgrade my desk setup, it upgraded my entire system. I was finishing work earlier, which meant more time for rest, which led to better sleep. Better sleep meant more energy and focus the next day. It created a powerful, positive feedback loop. My efficiency wasn't just a little better, it was systemically better. So by the end of this video, if you truly want to boost your productivity, my advice is to start with one simple, tangible change. Start with one tool that actually makes a difference in your day-to-day friction points. It doesn't have to be this exact keyboard I used, but take that first step. Identify your biggest bottleneck and find a tool designed to solve it. It might just change your whole day, your whole week, and maybe even your whole career. Are you ready to find out the real deal with other game-changing products? We're diving into more of them in episode 2, and this next part is a little more mysterious. Stick around, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, do me a huge favor and click that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments which product you deem most like me to dedicate an entire episode to and explain in detail. And if you found this helpful, share this content with a friend so they can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.